get my shot?
Behind us is the Hoover Dam.
No trip to Vegas is complete without visiting the Hoover Dam because this is how the casinos get their power.
Yep. Without this dam, no electricity, no Vegas.
Damn. Shall we go see it?
Let's go see the dam.
Over 5,000 people from every state in the U.S. came here to build this dam.
Yes. And of those, the official number of industrial deaths that occurred while making the dam are only 96. You'll hear numbers of over 100, but official deaths, industrial deaths, are 96.
I watched a documentary once that said that people fell into the concrete and are buried inside the dam.
That is a myth, wives' tale. Not true.
don't know.
Nobody is buried in Hoover.
It seems logical. It's a hell of a fall down. The cement is wet. You get stuck in there. No one's going to pick you out. The dam is 726 feet high.
That's a long ways.
And it's like 1,244 feet long at its crest. Mm-hmm. And, it was the highest dam ever built in 1935.
Yep.
At its base, it's 660 feet wide.
3.25 million pounds of.
No, 3.25 million.
Yeah, 3.25 million.
Yeah, 3.25 million cubic yards of concrete.
Of concrete were used in making of the Hoover Dam.
It's like 3:30 in Nevada. Wonder what time it is in Arizona.
Just like that, we lost an hour.
It was like
a few steps.
5-minute walk, and
I know.
it's now 4:30 in Arizona.
We lost an hour.
Yeah.
What's up with that?
5-minute back walk. 5-minute walk back.
Gain an hour.
We gain an hour. Yeah. It's amazing.
Rubbing the toes will give you good fortune, or so they say.
I get good luck when I rub your toes.
Aw.
Like a baby. Do you want your diaper changed? Last one.